Now, in the last episode, we built and stood the walls essentially on a Saturday. And then a few days later, I managed to get a concrete crew in to finish the slab. Well, this week, it's all about putting the trusses up, putting the sheathing on the trusses, and then putting the metal roof on the sheathing. Sit back and enjoy. Trying to go filming here. Stop that. Oh, who's this? Who do we have here? Isaac. Isaac's a future carpenter. I like your work. Very good.
Very smart. You good helper?
Don't expend your money on this. Just go.
Just above code. Anything too far, you're spending too much.
No, you need to swallow.
There we go. What? You want out? Alright. Are you ready to come and be nice?
Is it a pain in the ass to put
I've gotta say, is it a pain to put it in bump fire mode?
Gosh, Zachary, you talk like a carpenter.
My apologies.
Hello.
Look at this view.
Here we go. We're gonna get Alan.
Oh. Okay. Well, join us in the next installment when the doors and windows go in, the exterior insulation goes on, and the siding goes on top of that. So until then, thanks for watching.